What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, I was just fixing up this old 4020 I found. I found in the bushes by the field with gravity wagons in with it. So I was like, what a find! So I'm trying to fix up the old 420, and it's just been busy because I haven't even started the international at all, and I'm not even done with the 4755. So we do need another tractor to get running and ready to go. So, wait, hold on. I just need to go to the house real quick. By the way, this is my new Chevy. Well, I call it a Chevy. I don't really know what it is. But, this is my new Chevy here. It's got a flatbed. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, actually. I might get a different flatbed truck because I barely use this one, and it just, I don't know. It's a good truck, I will say, but I don't know. I'm just not really using this as much. I'm not really digging it. Like, I'm just not really looking. I don't know. I don't think it's for me. That's what I'm trying to say. But let me just go to the house real quick. And let's get something to drink. Hold on. Oh wait, my phone's ringing. Hello? Oh, hey Dale. If you want me to go pick something up? You have a tractor for me? And it's at a really low price? How much you talking? 10 grand for just a tractor? Is it a good tractor? It runs? Okay. Okay, good. Alright. So, I don't know what tractor it is, but it told me it has a tractor for me. And I gotta go pick that up, make sure I don't hit anything on the way. Oh God, let's go this way. Try not to hit that truck. Oh dear. Alright. Let's roll. This field, I don't know what this feels. I might have to finish it. By the way, guys, so Jimmy and Dale live here at this place, right here. Yeah, that's their place. And Jimmy rides his bike every morning over, or he just walks. It's not even that far of a walk. But he said he likes taking the bike. There's Jimmy. Doing a good job. But Dale's at the dealer. Oh, we have to slow down. We're going like 70 there. Alright. Honestly, I changed the color on the work truck, and you guys noticed, but I love this color for this truck. Oh, I watch the people here. There's like, just park right here. Alright, let me go talk to perfect. Wait, hey Dale, you were talking about that tractor? Yeah. Okay. Here. Oh, it's around back? Alright. Let's pull like that. Oh, okay, we made it. Nope, you guys didn't see that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, you guys also didn't see that either. Alright, so I gotta pull around back here. Was that the tractor? Oh my god, what is that? Wait, what? I gotta see that. Alright, back her up, back her up, back her up. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Oh god. Alright, this should be good. Watch out, sir. I need to put my ramps down. Sir, sir, ma'am, could you please move? Here, go. People these days, they're so stubborn. Alright. Ramps go down. Let's see this tractor. Oh my, 49.55. It looks a little beat up. Oh yeah, she looks beat up. She looks like she was. Let's see how many hours you got on her. 15 hours. Sorry. Got something in my throat there. Fly through my throat. But she got 15 hours on her. Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. She had an extra kick to her. Hold on. What happened to this tractor? I just want to know what the heck happened to this tractor. Is it a Ford? What happened to this tractor? Alright, let's pull this off. No, okay, this is gonna help a lot. It's gonna. Oh, she's not gonna fit. Shoot. No way. No way. Yeah, wait, I gotta take, wait, hold on. Oh wait, they got hinges on them. Here, wait, let me just use Dale's thing real quick. Because I can take off the guardrails, I think. It's okay, I can throw them back on any time. I'll just put them in the back of my bed. But I need to move, Chevy. Alright. Here's what we want to do. Yeah. Take that off and we're good. Look, they're off now. We took her off. Oh, we got it. Alright. Since that was busy, we gotta throw them back on. So this is our new tractor, but even though it's old. Alright, this should be better. Maybe put this one. Oh! Alright, that's, I think, where we want to put it. We got the straps down. Strap it down real quick. Alright, let's hop in the truck. Put the ramps up. Let's back her up real quick. Alright. We got it all good, ready to go. Oh my god, that trailer is getting killed right now, but it's fine, it's fine. Let's go give him the money real quick. It's only 10,000. I have it. Here, let me just put on my card. And yep, okay. We got it. But oh my god, what is wrong with this trailer? It's like sinking in the ground. It's so heavy. Alright, let's roll. Alright, no one coming. We're good. The trailer's not good. I don't know though. I think there's weights on those wheels, but that trailer's getting killed. It's like every crack in the road. Oh, look at all the cracks in the road. It's hitting everyone. Wait. Look, when it hits a crack, my truck moves as well. Oh, you can. Oh my god! That was a big one. We gotta slow down. Slow her down. I don't know. Come on. Oh, we should slow down. Shoot. Alright, let's. Alright. Alright, let's. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Alright, let's pull this in. Alright. I'm also getting close to done with that mower over there. It's over there somewhere. It's behind the silo, probably. Actually, no, it's not behind the silo. I put it back in here, I thought. Wait, yes, on the case. If I can get I can unhook this, yeah, and then I could get the $49.55 for it. But I think that is for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe. It actually really helps out the channel. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.